They are. That's the early spring inspection done, showing you how to keep your bees through the winter. No condensation. Obviously, we explained the situation with the wooden nuke, but you can see the hives are nice and healthy, and you'll see much more this summer when we put the nukes into the hives. And
they're all got plenty of food, so there's no worries there. Just keep hefting your hives, and you can, if you do it enough, you can judge roughly how much food is in there. There's some that I've got slightly lighter than others. There's some that are heavy, so I'll be removing the fondant from them beginning of March, and then they can start to eat through their own stores on the brood frames, and create some room for the queen, if need be, to start laying. Make sure she don't run out of space. Make sure she's not honey bound.
Yeah, so if you want to keep bees, keep an eye on Kevin, because he's the expert, and we'll put some more videos on soon.